I was planning on going to the gym today, but I woke up to some snow, so home workout it is. If you're looking for a Botox option for retainer cleaners, I really like these ones. I'll link them below. They're not perfect, but they're the most clean option that I could find. I have 2 pimple patches on. I did have 3, but when I took my mouth tape off, it ripped off the pimple patch too. I always get a little bit of tape residue around my mouth. It's worth it though. My sleep score was, I think, 86 today. Not in the 90s, but still really good. Still a crown. I'm almost out of the lavender tallow. I need to get more today at the store. Today at the store, we are only open 10 to 2 because it's Saturday. A mini skincare routine because I'm going to be showering then anyways. These are my morning supplements. Peaceful Mama, which is meant for everyone, not just moms. Like even men can take this. It helps your body manage stress. It's made with herbs and it's completely natural. And then this one is True Energy, which again it's from the same brand. It's an herbal supplement and it helps your body just have sustained energy throughout the day. Now we're ready. Said home workouts weren't tough. That was a 30-minute lower body weight only workout and I'm like panting out of breath. My legs are already like feeling like jello. That was a good workout. So now let's get ready for the store. I just took a quick body shower because after the storefront today I've taken everything shower, washed my hair, do all of that. Didn't have time to this morning. And I like letting my hair air dry for the most part, so definitely didn't have time to let my hair air dry this morning. Adding tea tree to the serums again. I love the smell of tea tree. It smells so nice and clean. And I think it's helping a lot. Tea tree is also great if you have dandruff. Just add a drop of it to your shampoo with every wash. Perfect. Rub your skincare into your hands when you're done rubbing it on your face. You'll have ageless hands and moisturized all the time. And as always, a drop of frankincense to my moisturizer. Always rub on the neck too. This morning when I woke up, I immediately started doom scrolling, which is a habit that I'm actively trying to break. So, you know, like didn't love that I did that. However, as soon as I realized what I was doing and I kind of like snapped myself out of it, I got back on routine. And I think that is the most important thing when building a routine is that when you mess up, because you will mess up the routine, like things happen like the snow. I was planning on going to the gym. I didn't make it to the gym because I didn't want to drive up an icy hill. So instead I just had to shift and adjust to my routine. That's what we need to do to stay on track with the routines, even though it'll be slightly different. When you mess up the routine, snap back out of it and get right back on track. Don't beat yourself up about it because it's normal to get out of the routine and mess up. That's life. That's being human. Most people, the second Friday of January is when most people give up on their goals. If you felt like that's you, don't beat yourself up over it because it's gonna happen and you're gonna fall off track. The most important thing is just getting back on track. The goal is not perfection, the goal is progress. So yeah, I did wake up later today. I did doom scroll first thing in the morning, but I also did a workout, and I'm also on track to finish the day off strong, or start the rest of the day off strong. Remember, perfection doesn't exist. Progress is the only thing that we're going for. I love this perfume. It smells so good. That was a really quick get ready, but I'll see you at the store. This is my storefront in Hamburg. We have non-toxic swaps to everyday living like skincare, essential oils, hair care, cleaning, self-care. And here's our address and store hours.